times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that's what you're looking for, go ahead and subscribe. I'm doing updates on the wig company wigs that I have, specifically their statements. Yeah, specifically their statements line. All of the original reviews will be linked down below. This first girl here I have is new Flirt, and I have her in the cap size average in the color OM8-1627. I do have her in an updo. This is how I reviewed her down, and then I put her in this like fun little updo romantic situation. I actually left her in this updo and put her in the box, and like looks just as good. So I'm really liking this Flirt. I also like the color mix on this one. I feel like the cap is super comfortable. It is a full cap. It is very soft. So if you're going through any type of treatments, there's no combs or anything. So this would be a really good choice. I do like that I can just stick this up in the updo, and then once I got in the updo, just take it off. I just put it back in its box, and it was perfect. You know, I might want to fluff some up, but it was basically perfect when I pulled it out. So that is my update for new Flirt. Okay, so next up I have new Beautiful Choice, and I have her in the color K123 average cap. I forgot how much I really love this wig. I like that the density is realistic. I'm getting a little bit of catching at the very ends, but nothing to write home about, and it comes right out. This is the only one that has like lace in the part, and so you can kind of flip it around and put, you know, you could put a little powder in there if you wanted to. Scalp-esque situation. Yeah, I really like this wig. I think she's so cute. I forgot how cute she was. So this is new Beautiful Choice. There is some filler fibers in there to give her a little bit of volume and lift. I think this is just a quick, easy style. This is a nice, manageable length. And yeah, so this is her. Okay, so last but not least, we have new Rhythm, and I have her in the color F33/263. I think this is one of my most favorite color mixes. So I have her in updo as well. She didn't stay in the updo as well as the other one did in the box. So I would just say if you're going to do something like this, I would put it on a wig head, which normally I would. But yeah, that's how she looks. As far as the wig itself, it's super comfortable. I'm not getting any shedding. It looks as cute as it did when I reviewed it the first time. So yeah, I definitely think this is a winner. So if there are any other the wig company wigs that you would like me to update, put that down below. I have a full playlist. If there are any other wig company wigs you would like me to review, also put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.